Which one of you bitches want to fight? Yes, bitch. What's up? Do you want to smoke? Hello, guys. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Julia. Otherwise, welcome back to Makeup with Time with Julia. In today's video, guys, is a fight. Yes, we are back at it. We are back at comparing products, which is fight. Okay, when I say is a fight, here is the two girls that need to fight today. They want to fight. Okay, this is P.LOUISE base and this is Revolution Ultimate Eye Base. I've been loving this lately and I've been loving this for over a year. Guys, look, I said on my previous video, I think this is the dupe of this. Okay, I brought a similar shade out. This is medium, eye primer medium, and this is also Rumor 4. You have seen this. I'll be using this. Then I bought before the Revolution came out with this, I bought in between, what is it called? Called Crisp Canvas. I didn't like it. It's good, but it's just too watery for me. Brush here, I use this to lay down mine. Now I'm gonna dirty two brushes. So we're gonna see which one perform best. Okay, this eye is going to be P.LOUISE eye, and this eye is Revolution. I hope you're doing well, guys. So we're just gonna create any look. The same eyeshadow we're gonna use, but it's all about the base. So let's apply P.LOUISE on here. That's enough. I am sure that's too much. Okay, I will take one of the Bella Pro. I will dab it down. I don't have any look in mind. Right. Since I don't have any look in mind, it doesn't matter anyway. Foundation I used today is SS Revolution in shade 13.2. Okay. And the face primer I used today so far is this two. I combine these two together. This one I used today. This one is Barry M and this one is W7. Guys, these both stuff, they are especially if you are oily. Oh, I think I put too much here. If you have oily skin, combine these two together with matte foundation. Oh, take the other brush. As you can see, it's clean. The formula, they're quite similar, but I don't know whether I apply too much on this side. It looks like the Revolution have more full coverage, or is it just me? Yeah, maybe I need to apply a bit more on P.LOUISE base side. On P.LOUISE side, I would just call it P.LOUISE side. I usually take my eyeshadow up to this corner anyway, so I'll use the brush just exactly what I did, just in case when I'm gonna do my under eye, we have something to you know, well, concealer gonna come in. Okay, I'll put this brush here. I'll take a bit more of the P.LOUISE base. I feel like I apply, this one is full than this one. Let's apply a bit more. I don't usually do this. Maybe the Revolution have more full coverage, or maybe I apply a bit more. Okay, the palette I'm gonna use today is gonna be this La Catrina Palette. This is from our collection. So one for this eye and one for this eye. I feel like mixing these two together this time. This one is Show and this one is World. I want to mix them two together because I have something else in mind. There is no black shade on this eyeshadow anyway. So these two shades I want to mix together. For one eye, the same two shades for the other eye, because I want red again. Okay, I'm gonna just dab it here. This both shade. So I'm gonna quiet while I'm packing it on, just in case when I am not cutting, I don't have to be like, oh, I was saying something there So I'll just do this. Oh, oof. Okay, I will take another brush. It's identical. I will do exactly on this other eye with the same shade. Although this, I'm not a left hand person, so this one I hope it come out exactly like the other one. That is the amen. So just exactly what I did. I will use the same brush. Hope I have enough. Use the same brush just to blend this area. Open my eyes. Side is winning, guys. Which side is winning? Okay, P.LOUISE, Revolution, P.LOUISE. Let's not make a mistake. Which side do you think is winning? I cannot tell. You guys gonna have to be the judge. We used to do this with last year. We used to do this with eyeshadow. We used to do this with eyeshadow, comparing similar dupe eyeshadow, comparing them to, you know, which one eye Revolution, one eye Beauty Glade. I'll just go in with this shade before I apply the whatever I want to apply. I will just, on this one, I will just dab it in. Yeah, because I just want it to swallow the stuff I put down. So I'll swap it around, use the other side. No big deal this time. I just want it. This eyeshadow is beautiful though. Okay, this is black, is Bada black base. I will apply this here. Because I cannot apply this over the white base. That's why I thought I would just This is cute. Remember, we've already covered the P.LOUISE base, so it doesn't matter now what we do. The base, both bases are equally good. So now we are just doing tutorial now. Unplanned tutorial. I need this shade right here to set. Okay, let's set. You see, it's already, let's set it quick. I am just setting it because my hooded eye, if you do not set it, things start gathering around here. You see this area here? That's where my big fat line is. So as I'm setting it now, you will make the black shade all stay in one place. Then we can move on to whatever we want to do with the eye. We take then two red shade, we want them back. So at this time we're gonna use it to kind of blend it now. Now it's all about blending now. All right, let's take this side. I'll go back in with them two shade again. No big deal. This side is not fully set. Wow, what's wrong with you? Now let's blend. When it comes to my bottom lash, the two shade I'm gonna use, okay, obviously I'm gonna use a jet black eyeliner, which is Rimmel. I love it. This eyeliner, 3 for 2 in Boots. It's $5.99 each, but if you buy 3, You get it for a price of 2. I'm loving it. This is the crystal from Amazon. If you are a new starter, you haven't got this type of glue, you are on your own. One here, one here. Let me complete this eye off camera to save us the time. Ooh, these lashes. Then just whatever left over, just want to blend here gently. Kind of, it's all about smoking eye right the way with all these brushes. Instead of using them accordingly, look at what I have done now. Let's just keep it, you know, within the house with the 2 reds shade I have used there. I'm loving matte lately though, but even though I am loving matte shade, but I still don't stay away with gemstone. So the same 2 shade, which is Show and Word. Now we are talking. Just apply a bit of gloss. Gloss on, gloss off. Never off, always on. Okay guys, my job here is now officially done. There is nothing else I need to do. The lashes I used today basically is MIT 3. On this eye I use P.LOUISE base. On this eye I use Revolution Ultimate Eye Base. So guys, I cannot tell the difference. I think that this one is more like, this one is more thick. This one is thicker than this. I don't know, maybe because I had this now for a year now. I'm not sure. You guys know how I feel about P.LOUISE base. So now this cheaper version just come along, and this one is about 12 pounds. This one is 5 pounds. So if you order this plus postage, you are heading to £14.50 or £15. This one you can just go to Revolution website. If you order over £30, you get free postage, or you can just nip to Superdrug, your local Superdrug, get it for £5. Both do exactly the same job for me. Both are equally good. Like I said on my previous video, I think we find our guy. When I found this, she was my guy. She's still my guy. She's still my guy. That doesn't even make sense, but we're gonna leave that. We're not gonna call that. She's still my guy. She a guy. Hey, Julia. Hi. Hey, she's still my guy. I think both are now our guys. Look. So if you are into makeup, you want your eyeshadow to be popping, you want it to stay on all day. When I put this on the other day when I was going to work, I put it on, you know, tiny little bit. I just apply my like nude shade to work, you know, something that is not too colorful all day. Even sweating through that mask, my eye makeup was looking good. You have a choice now. Called Chris Canvas didn't make it to this list at all. I will see you guys on my very next video. I hope you enjoyed this comparison. I like both. Like I said, it's not to bring one brand down. It's just to let you guys know my thought when it comes to both stuff and the cheaper version. You remember, it's my job to bring you anything that is slightly cheaper. So it's my job. I have a job here now. Hey, this is next level. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this comparison. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram, is at Makeup Time with Julia. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. If you have, I want to say thank you very much, and I will see you guys on my very next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Wink. Oh, wink.